10:55. First time ever beating the clock. Here we are at Eagles Rest Campground in Chadron, Nebraska, and it's a windy day.
We spent 4th of July at the campground. It was definitely no Mount Rushmore, but we enjoyed watching fireworks, sitting on the couch, looking out our window. The whole family loved every minute of it.
That's a barn.
So we've been traveling for about 5 weeks now, and a couple weeks ago I started noticing our front passenger side truck tire was wearing on the outer edge of it, and we had recently had some work done on it. If you follow us on Instagram, you'd see one of our wheels almost fell off actually about 2 weeks after having work done on the front brakes at this shop, and we took it back and got everything fixed, and then about within 10 miles of having it fixed, the truck started pulling to the right. That was all back in Illinois. Now we're in South Dakota. I noticed this thing's wearing pretty bad, so we got an appointment in a couple days to get that tire replaced, both front tires replaced and an alignment. Hopefully that fixes our issues. I'm going to show you this tire. So it might be hard to see in this light, but this outer edge is showing wear compared to, like, that's really deep still, and this right here, it's all the way flat. There's barely any tread left right there. Flat again there. Very uneven and just wearing on that outer edge, and I'm concerned about it, so I'm gonna get it fixed and hopefully we don't have any more issues with it. Got our new tires put on, got an alignment done. Hopefully no more issues.
Tap it! Tap it where it goes! Tap it where it goes! Go away! Go that way! Go in the moon!
And now we're off to Alliance, Nebraska.
We didn't expect to be going down a gravel road. Hopefully this campground is open. We don't have a reservation. That's how we roll. We just got here in Alliance, Nebraska. And a nice view. We are right next to Carhenge, mimicking Stonehenge with cars. Can't beat it. It's a mystery how these got here. Scientists have been studying and trying to figure it out. Did they fall from the sky? Is it aliens? We may never know. Sarah, do you think it was worth driving 1,000 miles in 3 days to get here?
Oh yeah, for sure.
car is for everybody to sign. When we first started traveling, this was something that we didn't think we'd need, so we never bought one. And our first week out, we stayed places that didn't have full hookups. They had a dump station, and we're limited to about 2 to 3 days for that. I never thought I'd be excited about sewer and sewer accessories. We are at Central Park in Alliance, Nebraska. Alright, I'm gonna take a seat for a little bit.
What are you doing, Daddy?
I'm just gonna sit here and watch you guys play for a few minutes.
Okay.
Wow, surprised they were cool with that. This literally never happens.
Daddy.